and welcome to RC Industry.
One, two, three, four.
Watching the football end. Then I want to know the way I've been. Young, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I've been wasting time, sitting on the dock of the bay. Well, I left my home in Georgia, and I headed for the Frisco way. I had nothing to live for. Looks like nothing.
Okay, so this is how they had that backsplash fixed. They got this concrete thing poured, and then we got had like an inch of concrete over this, and oh my gosh.
And the guy said that the pads underneath concrete.
Yeah. Oh really? So these things down here are concrete as well? Yep.
Oh wow. This wire, actually got in, it ran up here, and he bends it and brings it back.
This whole thing was one big wire. Had his hair cut out.
Poured down in it.
That's crazy. Got the real important stuff in here today. Let's see. This comes from Puddin's Fab Shop. I tried to get me a t-shirt, and they were sold out of the giant size like I wear, so I had to get me a little stinky dinky to hang in on the rear view mirror in the van. So anyway, just thought I'd update you a little there. Let's go see how the bathroom project's come along. Well, you can see they got quite a bit of this old bathroom tore out of there yet today. Just look how thick that is. Hell, that's just plumb ridiculous. And that was the curb that was laying on the back side of the countertop. I mean, it takes two people to lift that up out of there. Look how thick this tile is. I ain't never seen nothing like that. So anyway, got the old sink laying over here, and that's the tub. They broke that all up into pieces today, so I got to haul that off tomorrow. So all right, let's go see what it looks like in the bathroom. There's Gunner. Are you helping? Okay, so they got in here and got some of this tore out. We wound up having to take this out today, so because that thing wasn't even built the way they built the rest of this, and that little half wall wasn't even attached to the floor. So anyway, so that had to come out. And then of course we've got this little duker in here that we'll have to build out around, and they got the wall back here tore out. But just look at all that metal and everything that's in there. I don't know what they thought they was going to do in here. This didn't even have a shower. I mean, how are you going to get it that wet, that high? They got a vapor barrier, steel mesh, 1.5 inches of concrete, and then you got at least a 3/8 inch tile over that. So anyway, alright, show you more. Okay, well the guys got everything demoed out, and I had them leave this, and because we're going to put the cabinet back, and since the cabinet's not built with a base, I would have had to have built a base, and we all know what wood prices are right now. I'll get to that in a minute, but I just went ahead and had them leave that because I am going to put that back. So, but they came in here and they took these 2x10 floor joists and cut those down 1 inch, and then they laid these boards in between here, so it's not, I mean, you can stand on these but I wouldn't, because there's just a 1x1 holding them up, nailed, they're toe-nailed in, and so I don't think that's real strong. And this is the original height of the floor that would have been in the house when it was built, because this is the kind of flooring that runs in under the rest of the house. So they got all that concrete out here. It took them, let's see, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and they finished up Wednesday, so 4 days. And that whole big truck that I think I showed earlier in this video was almost completely full, and there was a lot of weight on that truck. You know, them poor old tires, they were squatting. But anyway, it wasn't my problem there. But so we've basically got a clean slate here. So what I'm going to do is, and I'll probably show this in the next video. I think I'm going to end this one here, but I'm going to go out to Home Depot and I'm going to buy some 1x, and I'm going to screw and glue that onto the top of these studs, get them back up where it should be, and then I'm going to put insulation board in between these two, because you remember I'm putting in a heated mat, so I want all the heat to penetrate through the tile. I don't want it to have to go through this wood floor. And then we'll put that 1x all the way around here, and then we're going to glue and screw down what I call 3/4 inch plywood, but you know, the communist plywood we get now is like 32/64 or some non-imperialist number. So anyway, I grew up with inches. We tried the metric system in the 70s when I was in high school, and that was a joke. So all it did was cause me to fail math. So anyway, with that being said, and we'll have to cut in, of course, where our commode goes, but we'll get all this back up to this level, and we'll probably replace some of these boards over here, because if you remember when we talked about it earlier, the shower drain will be here actually. So we'll patch this all back up, get this all smooth, and get it ready to put 1/2 inch concrete board down, and then we'll put our heat mat and our tile, and we'll have a floor again. So alright, that's really all I got to say. Is that going to work for you? Hey little girlie, you got your ear flipped up. Let's fix your ear. There we go. Daddy don't like to look at that. Alright, well, that's all I've got for today. So hope you enjoy this bathroom remodel. I know we're going to enjoy it once it gets done, because it is a mess in here right now. So anyway, thanks for liking the videos. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Maybe I'm not doing stuff right. You know, I don't know. I've only been doing this for 30 years. That don't mean I can't learn nothing new. So anyway, like I said, drop a comment down below. Be sure and like the video, share it. We're still trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're up to 190, so we thank you for subscribing. And for those of you that watch and don't subscribe, come on, reach up there and hit that button. That's all you got to do. And don't give me the excuse, oh, I don't know my password to get in and log in to YouTube. Give me a break. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
I was walking down the street, I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.